Looking for the Best Tech 2025 asterisk? Get ready to discover the absolute must-have gadgets that are redefining our digital lives this year. In this video, we're diving deep into the most exciting electronics and groundbreaking innovations, handpicked to elevate your everyday experience. You won't believe the advancements some of these devices have made. They truly are game changers. Don't miss out. Grab your favorite new tech now by checking the exclusive links in the description below. Number 1. Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. This flagship smartphone isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in mobile computing, boasting mind-blowing AI capabilities and an unparalleled camera system that will redefine your photography. Number 2. Dell XPS 16. Power users, rejoice. The Dell XPS 16 delivers blistering performance and a stunning display, making it the ultimate laptop for creativity and productivity in 2025. Its sleek design hides a beast of an engine. Number 3. Sony WH-1000XM6. Prepare for audio nirvana with the Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones. Their adaptive noise cancellation is shockingly good, immersing you in your music like never before, perfect for travel or focused work. Number 4. Apple Watch Ultra 3. For adventurers and fitness enthusiasts, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is more than a smartwatch. It's a rugged, life-monitoring companion with extended battery life and cutting-edge health sensors that will astound you. Number 5. PlayStation 5 Pro. Gamers, brace yourselves. The PlayStation 5 Pro elevates console gaming to cinematic levels, offering incredible 8K resolution support and breathtaking ray tracing that makes every game visually spectacular. These aren't just gadgets, they're investments in your future. From stunning visuals to intelligent features, these top electronics of 2025 are designed to impress. Stick around to find out which one is perfect for you and why these rank as our absolute favorites.